Looking for a creamy dressing that is surprisingly good for your blood sugar and your metabolism? Leave it to the French to figure that out with their Classic Dijon Vinaigrette. Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health coach. Nice to meet y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. I make videos for people who want to start or refresh their healthy habits, and cooking at home is a step in the right direction. By the end of this video, you'll have your go-to, guilt-free, creamy salad dressing recipe. This Classic Dijon Vinaigrette builds on the foundation of 3-to-1 ratio to make salad dressings. If you're curious about those recipes, check out the playlist link above or in the description below. Also, please watch all the way to the end for tips and health benefits. En prêt? Allons-y. What you're gonna need is a container with a tight-fitting lid, 3 parts oil, which is 3 tablespoons of extra virgin oil, 1 part vinegar, and we have 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. We're going to use Maille, which is the traditional Dijon mustard. That's where it originated from. We're using 2 teaspoons of that. Okay. Perfect. And a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. If you're curious how to mince this in bulk, please check out my video. Link is above or in the description below. We're gonna close that up and shake it up for 10 seconds. For most salad dressing recipes, the ratio is 3 parts oil, 1 part acid. Voila, our Classic Dijon Vinaigrette. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below or connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. For a simple side salad, all you need is 2 cups of dark mixed greens and a tablespoon of this beautiful creamy Classic Dijon Vinaigrette. All right, y'all, going in for a taste test. It's really creamy. And it's definitely not overdressed. It's a little tangy, which is perfect for these dark leafy greens because it cuts out the bitterness so you can enjoy more. A little bit about the health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil helps manage cholesterol. Both red wine vinegar and mustard can reduce the effect of a spike in blood sugar from carbohydrates. Mustard was found to increase metabolism in a small study published in the British Journal of Nutrition. More research is needed to confirm findings though. Lastly, garlic can help boost the immune system. This Classic Dijon Vinaigrette is so creamy and tasty, no added salt, no added sugar, making it super simple and healthful. Bonus tip is you can use this dressing as a topping for any types of animal protein or roasted vegetables, as well as a spread for sandwiches and wraps, and as a dip for raw veggies. Let me know how you end up using it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. And stay tuned, next Wednesday, we're going to continue with our salad dressing recipe series so you can eat more veggies for your body and the planet. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.